Hello, my name is Henry Izquierdo. I live in Cali. I work in a paper company and I study industrial engineer. My last Christmas, I was in the university and because I am chef and I was prepared a typical sweet from Cali. It's called cholado and it's a delicious sweet and let's prepare it. It looks like this. For let me see the ingredients. Okay, we will need ice, 10 strawberries, 1 banana, 1 pineapple, 1 mango, condensed milk, passion fruit maracuja, water, sugar, blackberry mora. Then instructions. Cut the fruit into small pieces. Combine water, fruit pulp, and sugar in a bowl. Crush the ice in a blender or food processor. Set plastic cups or other serving glasses. Add about 1 cup of crushed ice and the fruit that you have in the bowl. Add condensed milk on top. Place 1 pile of fruit on top of the ice. Add more condensed milk on top of the fruit. And that's it. This is the instruction and the ingredients that you need to make a cholado. Thank you.